Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my closet transformation. This is my brand new closet with shelves. I'm going to show you the before, the after, the in-between, the whole deal of how I transformed this little closet into what it is now. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get into it.
Alright, this is the starting point of my closet. As you can see, it is extremely disorganized. There's wallpaper in there. I wanted to take the shelf out and all the hanging stuff so that it could be more organized. Okay, this is the current situation. All of the wallpaper is down, the walls have been patched, and we are ready to start painting. Because the color of the walls underneath the wallpaper was darker, I did have to prime first. So I did 2 coats of white primer, and then I followed it by 2 coats of the peachy pink white shade that's already on the walls in my room, which you can see on the right side of the frame. That's the exact same color that I painted the walls in the closet as well. I just thought that would be a good way to just match everything because I was going to take the door off of the closet, so I wanted it all to look cohesive, and that was the best way to do that. So here I am painting the first coat of that pink shade. I bought 1 sheet of plywood and then had the people at Home Depot cut it for me, and I will put the sizes that I got down below in the bottom bar, but I did prime these for 1 coat, and then I painted them white with 2 coats of white paint on all sides, front and back. So that was the easiest way I found. Instead of trying to cut the piece of plywood myself, they just did it for free at the store. Also, as I'm flipping the wood, you will see the little orange cone thingies. Those are seriously the best investment ever. I will link them down below. You can paint and you don't have to wait for anything to dry before you flip them over. You can just flip, paint, flip again, paint again. It's super, super simple. All right, this is the current closet situation. 2 coats of paint are on there. I just have to take the tape off and then tape off down there. And then we're going to put the shelves in. I opted for furring strips to hold up the shelves, so that is what those pieces are. I again just got them cut to size at Lowe's. And then I have all of my painted shelves ready to go in as soon as I get the furring strips up. So the first thing to do is obviously make sure that everything is level, put it at the spot that you want, and then I did pre-drill all of the holes on the sides just because I didn't want these to split. They're not super great quality wood, so you just want to pre-drill them if you can. And then after you get them going, you just keep putting them all the way up, and I did the back ones first, and then you put up the side ones one by one. So there I have 1 shelf up, and then obviously all of the other furring strips are now ready to put shelves up. And I did decide to paint these the same color as my dressing room, which you can see here. These are the final painted ones. And so now I am ready to put the shelves back in so that the closet can be done. Here is what my closet looks like with all of the shelves in and all of these bins. I really knew I wanted some bins to hide some of the products. I don't have this fully organized, but you can see I have some products here. I didn't want this just sitting out on shelves. I want this to look as clean as possible. And I got these 6 bins in 1 pack. They were super cheap, so I will link them down below. But as you can see, all the furring strips are the same color as the walls, so they just blend in. And that is my completed closet. I still haven't organized the entire thing, but so far I'm super, super happy with it.
Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.